Didi, you said that we need an operating system to work on the programs in a computer. Can you tell me more about operating systems?
Sure, Rohan. Let's discuss more about operating systems. Operating system is a program that helps us interact with other computer programs, and computer is useless without an operating system. The operating system works as an interface between the user and computer. All other programs need operating system to start them, but the operating system starts by itself. The operating system starts the computer automatically when power is turned on. The major functions of the operating system are: it controls and coordinates the operation of a computer. It eases the interaction between you and the computer. It controls input and output devices. It controls execution of computer programs. It manages the use of the main memory of computer. It helps you to manage and manipulate files. The operating system can be classified into two types: character user interface and graphical user interface. Let us discuss one by one about them. Character user interface does not have any icons or images. It works using only text and characters. We can perform tasks on CUI by giving commands in text such as rename CLS, CD, MD and dir or directory. An example of CUI is the disk operating system. A graphical user interface has background picture as well as many icons. Examples of GUI are Windows XP, Windows NT, Windows 7 and Ubuntu. The GUI can be further classified into proprietary software and free or open source software. Proprietary software is a computer software type which is licensed under exclusive legal right of the copyright holder. The usage of proprietary software requires licensing with the free attached and can be used only with a registered license. The user is not allowed to modify, share, study and redistribute them. The most common type of proprietary software is Microsoft, Apple Inc., IBM operating systems and Unisys. Free or open source software is software which can be downloaded by the user from the internet free of cost. It is provided under an open source license that allows the user to modify, improve and distribute the software freely. However, the changes cannot be copyrighted. The most common type of open source software is Unix, Linux, Aurora UX and OpenSolaris. Let's learn about Microsoft Windows, which is one of the most popular operating systems.
Oh yes, I have heard so much about Microsoft Windows.
Microsoft Windows is a series of graphical interface operating systems developed, marketed and sold by Microsoft. Most of the computers that we use come with pre-installed operating system of Microsoft Windows. In case you have a computer system without the Windows operating system, you can buy a licensed software from an authentic seller of the software. An alternative method of obtaining the software could be through online websites such as Microsoft's website. The GUI interface helps you to use programs and keep them organized. Windows are a WYSIWYG type of GUI, which means what you see is what you get. If the operating system in your computer is Windows, the first screen that appears after switching on your computer is the desktop.